Hey everyone, glad you're joining and welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about something mind-blowing. How AI can literally build your next income stream, even if you never made a dime online before. Because in 2025, if you are not using AI to create, market, or automate something, you are probably leaving money on the table. So joining me to discuss this is my friend Brian, and let me welcome him to come and be part of this amazing session. Hello Brian.
Hey, Afoma, how's it going? I hope you're having an awesome day. Let me know what's on your mind today.
All right, Brian. Glad to have you join me. Today's topic is an interesting one, okay, and it's titled "How AI Can Literally Build Your Next Income Stream." What's your take, Brian?
Oh, that sounds like a really exciting topic. I think AI definitely has a ton of potential to help people build passive income from automating tasks, optimizing content, to even creating new revenue streams through personalized recommendations. It's definitely a game changer in so many ways.
Interesting. So, why is AI becoming the new money machine?
Yeah, absolutely. One big reason is that AI can handle repetitive tasks super efficiently, which saves a lot of time and energy. It can also analyze huge amounts of data quickly, helping people make better decisions and identify new opportunities. Plus, AI can personalize experiences, which is fantastic for things like marketing and sales, ultimately driving more revenue. It's definitely making waves as a money machine.
Interesting. So now tell me, can AI really help someone with zero tech skills start earning online?
Oh, definitely. AI can be a game changer for someone who's new to the online space. It can help with things like creating content, automating responses, optimizing marketing strategies, and even analyzing data to find the best opportunities. It basically reduces the learning curve and makes it easier for anyone to get started and grow their income online.
Oh, interesting. So tell me, what kind of AI tools can help you create content, write ebook, or start digital business fast?
Oh, there are quite a few cool tools out there for content creation. You've got AI writing assistants like ChatGPT or Jasper that can help generate articles, social media posts, and even ebooks. For digital business, there are AI-powered tools that help with things like website building, marketing automation, and even customer support. It really speeds up the process and makes it a lot more accessible for beginners.
Interesting. So how do people make passive income with AI without even showing their face online?
Yeah, absolutely. There are plenty of ways. For instance, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates using AI tools that help generate the content. You can also use AI to run automated dropshipping stores, manage social media accounts, or even create and sell AI generated art. All of that can be done without ever having to show your face, so it's pretty flexible.
Interesting. So what's the difference between using AI to make money and depending on AI completely?
That's a great question. So, using AI to make money is more about leveraging AI as a tool or resource to enhance your own efforts and creativity. On the other hand, depending on AI completely can mean relying solely on AI for decision making or operations, potentially losing that human touch or oversight. It's all about finding that balance and using AI to complement your own skills rather than replacing them entirely.
You find the balance rather than replacing your human skills entirely. All right, interesting. Okay, Brian, tell me. How can someone in Nigeria or any other part of Africa, for instance, use AI to build global income stream?
Absolutely. For someone in Nigeria or other parts of Africa, AI can open up a ton of global opportunities. For example, you can offer freelance services like content writing, translation, or virtual assistants through platforms that connect you to clients worldwide. You can also create and sell digital products like online courses or ebooks and use AI to streamline the creation process. Plus, AI can help with marketing and analytics, allowing you to reach a global audience more effectively. It's really makes it so accessible.
Interesting. Like that. Like, tell me, what is the easiest AI hustle to start with no capital like today? Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. One of the easiest AI tools to start with little to no capital is definitely something like ChatGPT or other free AI writing assistants. They let you generate content, create ideas, and even help with marketing for free or at a very low cost. Another great option is using AI-powered design tools like Canva, which has AI features and free tiers. These tools let you start building and experimenting without any upfront investment.
Interesting. I love the idea. I love it. Yeah. So tell me, how can AI automate freelancing, YouTube, or ST income?
Oh, definitely. For freelancing, AI can help with tasks like content creation, proofreading, and even project management, making it easier to take on more clients and scale your business. For YouTube, AI can assist with script writing, video editing, and even optimizing SEO, which helps you reach a bigger audience. And for passive income, AI can help create and manage digital products, automate marketing campaigns, and analyze data to improve sales. And it really makes it so much easier to build and sustain income streams.
Interesting.
I'm glad you found it.
Interesting. How do I make sure I am not replaced by AI, but empowered by it?
That's a fantastic question. I think the key is to focus on developing uniquely human skills like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Also staying adaptable and continuously learning new tools and technologies will help you stay ahead. Essentially, using AI as a collaborator rather than a replacement will empower you and help you add more value in ways that AI can't replicate.
Interesting. This brings me to my big question, and that is, if AI is building income stream for everyone else, why are most people still broke?
That's such a thought-provoking question. I think it often comes down to access, awareness, and the ability to leverage AI effectively. Some people might not have the right resources, or they might not know how to use AI to its full potential. There's also a gap in digital literacy and sometimes even the mindset to embrace new technology. So while AI is a powerful tool, it's really about how people are able to access and utilize it effectively.
I love that. I love that. Now you tell me your final word, Brian. What would be your advice for someone who is looking at to start making money online using the power of AI? What would be your advice as we sign out, Brian?
Absolutely. I'd say start by identifying your strengths and interests and then look for AI tools that complement those skills. Take advantage of free resources and continuous learning, and don't be afraid to experiment and iterate. Also focus on building a personal brand and connecting with your audience authentically. Over time, that combination of human touch and AI will definitely help you stand out and succeed.
Don't forget, he said, the combination of your human touch, that's important, and AI will help you stand out. All right. Brian, it's been a pleasure talking to you, and I love the fact that each time I call on you, you are always here, to be part of my amazing show. Thank you so much, and I'm glad you made it. I like you so very much. And until I see you again in my next session, Brian, take care of yourself, and bye for now.
Oh, Afoma, it's truly my pleasure. I always enjoy our chats, and then I'm so glad to be part of your amazing show. Thank you for having me, and I look forward to the next time we connect. Take care, and bye for now.
Yeah, bye. Oh, And this is it. Here's the truth, my viewers. AI doesn't make you rich. You do, okay? But it gives you a level up, okay? A level playing ground, all right? The power to create, sell, market, and scale like never before. Yeah, so if this video impacts you, do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. You never know who will be needing to hear this information today. Don't forget to be part of my amazing session. Until I see you in my next, you have yourself a great day. Bye bye for now. Bye.